Hello everybody! Today's video is about your favorite instant karma moments. Enjoy watching. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Your comments and criticisms are, of course, you know the deal, always welcomed. I can say that this is the best combination of karma and passenger reaction that I've seen this year. The driver of the Toyota decided to bypass traffic and drive through the intersection at a red light, but because of the truck, he did not see the police car and got what he deserved.
It says speed limit is 65 on my phone. So, the 55 being like a attitude right now. He slows down. Uh-oh, he's getting pulled over now. Yeah, he passed the state trooper and he's getting pulled over. Yeah, he got pulled over instantly.
It was not for nothing that the police waited for the traffic violators at that place and spotted the driver, who decided to bypass the traffic on the oncoming lane. It is not known how this conflict began, but the driver of the Mercedes decided to escalate it right in front of the police.
Good thing you didn't do anything though.
The driver decided to overtake a truck in the oncoming lane, right in front of the police, of course. The driver of the Ford decided to change lanes where the author was driving, even seeing that he was not allowed in. The driver of the Hyundai decided to bypass the traffic on the side of the road, and he paid for it. Another speeding fan was caught by the police. This episode needs no comment. BMW driver on I-5, Woodland, California, gets instant karma by a police motorcycle when driving on the shoulder.
Why? Nice.
It is not clear if the driver of the Porsche wanted to run a red light on purpose or was distracted by something. But either way, he did it in front of the police. The driver of the pickup truck did not like the speed of the Ford Explorer and decided to outrun it across the oncoming lane, not knowing that the Ford was an unmarked police car. Another overtaken violation right in front of the police.
He's a big Democratic ad maker, signed on early. That to me looks instead of getting out there and doing what you just did, which was, look, I think he made clear that he didn't believe in segregation.
We had some kind of accident up here.
An impatient, aggressive driver pushes his luck and endangers his family. If I had not swerved right and hit his right front wheel, I would have hit the rear door where 3 children were. Lessons learned? Probably not. Thanks for watching. I would really appreciate your comments and likes.